Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add any photo to your Fashionwave Memory Journal in Call of Whales event in Heartopia. So during the event, you may find a quest that asks you to add a photo to your event journal like this. You can see it just like this quest. And then to complete this quest is very easy. First, just open your backpack and then just open your Call of Whale Fashionwave Memory Journal. This one you can get this memory journal after you enter the Whale Fall Canyon map for the first time. And then after that, just tap on edit. This one at this pencil icon. Tap on edit again. And then in here, you just need to select your photo that you want to add on here. For example, like this. And then just tap on confirm. And then just add another photo like this, confirm. And then in here you can also add a sticker on here, the cute sticker like this. I think it's so cute like this. You can just add any photo or any sticker that you like on here like this. And just like that. Once you are finished, just simply go back to save your change like this. And just like that, your quest will be complete like this, and you can claim the rewards on here like this. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.